Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng isang opportunity kung saan pwede mo ma-achieve ang health wellness at the same time magkaroon ng time and financial freedom? Introducing the first and only multi-level marketing business in the Philippines with 18 ways to earn, D1 Legacy PH Corp. Ang D1 Legacy PH Corp ay legal na nag-ooperate sa bansa na compliant sa lahat ng business permits, being registered sa Securities and Exchange Commission with registration number 2024-60156-77202. With office located sa 3rd floor Unit 301, 158 West Avenue, Barangay Filam, Quezon City, 1104 near SM North EDSA. With trusted board of directors, kampante tayo na ang negosyo na papasukin natin ay legal at mapagkakatiwalaan. Ang line of business ng D1 Legacy PH Corp ay pinagsamang health and wellness, e-loading business with e-commerce and dropshipping na may quality and FDA licensed products at syempre, affordable para sa lahat. Now let's talk about the income potential of D1 Legacy PH Corp. Sa halagang 4,498 na starter pack, pwede mo nang simulan ang negosyo. The classic account amounting to 8,998, premium account na magkakaroon ka ng 3 plus 4 account sa halagang 26,994 at ang ultimate account na 62,986 na may 7 plus 8 accounts para ma-maximize ang iyong income potential. Lahat ng ito ay may 18 ways to earn. 18 ways to earn. Direct selling. Enjoy 25 to 35% lifetime discount on all D1 Legacy products. Let's take this as an example. Kung ikaw ay makakabenta ng 1 box of Herba Barley sa SRP na 799 with 35% discount, ikaw ay pwedeng kumita ng 280 pesos kada box. Sa 10 boxes na mabibenta mo sa loob ng isang araw, ikaw ay pwedeng kumita ng 2,800 per day or 84,000 per month. 3 easy load ways to earn. Enjoy 2% top-up discount income to all networks. Enjoy 1% override income from your reseller's load wallet replenishment. Enjoy 200 peso unlimited income for resellers activation. Unilevel bonus. Earn up to 10th level from your organization's monthly product purchases plus get 10% personal rebates. Direct referral bonus. Earn unlimited referral bonus sa bawat business partner na mapapasali mo. Ikaw ay bibigyan ng unlimited referral bonus na 2,000 pesos, 1,000 pesos as cash, and 1,000 pesos as HRV. Pairing bonus. The best and proven binary system for multi-level marketing plan. Ang iyong multi-level structure ay mahahati sa dalawa, the left and the right. Every time na may madidetect ang system na pairs sa left and right, you will earn 1,500 as pairing bonus. Ang kagandahan dito, kahit hindi mo nakakilala, basta under sa structure mo at mag-pair ang left and right, you will receive pairing bonuses, 1,000 as cash and 500 as HRV, down to infinity. Now, as part of the safety net of the company at para masustain ang stability, the company will be giving HRV or Health Reward Voucher for direct referral and pairing bonuses. For every direct referral bonus, you will be receiving 1,000 cash and 1,000 HRV. For pairing bonuses naman, you will be receiving 1,000 cash and 500 HRV. HRVs can be used para makabili ng kahit anong products sa company at SRP price. Also, as part ng safety net, starter pack ay limited sa 50 pairs per level up to infinity. Ang classic accounts naman will be limited to 60 pairs per level. Premium accounts or 3-header accounts, 80 pairs per level. Ang ultimate accounts or 7-header accounts, 120 pairs per level. Ang good news, no fifth pair safety net. Lahat ng pairing bonuses ay mapapakinabangan mo down to infinity. Now, let's see the potential income of the pairing bonus based on this scenario. Sa iyong first month, ikaw ay nakapag-refer lamang ng dalawa. You will earn a total of 5,500, 4,000 pesos for the direct referral, and 1,500 for the pairing bonus. On the second month, yung dalawa mong ni-refer ay nakapag-refer din ng dalawa since ito ay under ng network structure mo. You will still earn 3,000 pesos as pairing bonus. On the third month, mayroon ka ng 4 sa left and 4 sa right. Kahit hindi mo na sila kilala, you will still get 6,000 pesos as pairing bonus. Using the power of 2 system, on your 12th month, having 2,048 members sa left and 2,048 members sa right. Kahit hindi mo na sila kilala, you will have a potential income of 3,072,000 on the 12th month alone, totaling to 6.1 million pesos accumulated income. Let's say 50% na lang, that's still 3 million pesos or 10% work effort. Ikaw ay pwede pa rin kumita ng 614,000 in 12 months. Nagsimula lang sa dalawang kakilala mo, shinare, prinomote at sumali sa iyong negosyo. The power of leveraging. D1 and dropshipping. Daily payout. You post, we pack, we ship, you earn. Di mo na kailangan ng stocks, di mo na kailangan ng warehouse, di mo na din kailangan ng logistic team. D1 Legacy got you covered. Quarterly cashback pool. Every quarter, lahat ng stockists nationwide ay makakatanggap ng 20% profit sharing mula sa sales sa repeat purchase na nakabase sa legacy points para sa mga qualified at maintained mega centers. Let's take this as an example. If merong 100 stockists na bibili ng 100 canisters of Herba Choco per month, ito ay may katapat na 20,000 PV na requirement para sa bonus na ito. 100 stockists bumili ng 100 canisters ay 10,000 canisters monthly. 10,000 canisters sa tatlong buwan is 30,000 canisters. Dahil ang 1 canister ay may 200 legacy points, 30,000 canisters multiplied to 200 legacy points ay 6 million legacy points. At dahil 20% ang nakaalat sa cashback pool para sa lahat na nakapag-maintain, ay mayroong 1.2 million pesos na paghahati-hatian. Let's say, lahat ng 100 stockists ay nakapag-maintain, lahat ay tatanggap ng extra cashback of 12,000 pesos. Legacy Builders Profit Sharing. For the first time sa history ng multi-level marketing, inilabas ang feature na ito para matulungan ng company ang bawat leaders na ma-maximize ang kanilang earning opportunity. Multiple accounts is better than one. More accounts, more earnings. For premium account holders, 3 plus 4 fully activated accounts under one name para makakwalify at i-enjoy ang 5% leaders profit sharing based sa legacy points ng company. If ikaw ay magde-decide na kumuha ng premium account, ikaw ay magkakaroon agad ng 3 activated accounts plus 4 commission deduction accounts under your network. Meaning, sa puhunang 3 accounts ay may chance ka nang ma-multiply at ma-maximize ang iyong income. At hindi lang yon, once ma-activate na ang iyong 4 CD accounts, you will now be qualified sa quarterly legacy points profit sharing ng company, provided na ikaw ay nakapag-maintain sa Unilevel on a monthly basis. Tignan naman natin kung papaano mo ma-activate ang iyong CD or commission deduction accounts para ma-qualify ka sa quarterly 5% leaders profit sharing. For example, para ma-activate ang isang CD account, since ang value ng isang account ay 8,998. At dahil ito ay commission deduction, i-deduct mula sa iyong pairing bonuses ang activation payment for the said CD account. If we will see dito sa ating example, since hindi pa activated ang CD account, lahat ng direct referral bonus ay pupunta sa iyong main account. But all pairing bonuses can be used as commission deduction for the activation of the said CD accounts. Same goes with the ultimate 7 plus 8 fully activated accounts under one name para naman sa quarterly 10% leaders profit sharing mula sa legacy points ng company. For both premium and ultimate accounts, Unilevel must be maintained on a monthly basis para makuha ang Legacy Builders Profit Sharing Bonus. Power Builder Token, a very rewarding bonus para sa lahat. Kung ikaw ay magkakaroon ng 50 pairs under your structure sa loob ng isang taon from the date of joining, ikaw ay makakatanggap ng gadget reward mula sa company. 100 pairs local travel, 300 pairs international travel, 500 pairs fully paid scooter, 1,000 pairs fully paid sedan car, at 2,000 pairs a fully paid SUV. Aside sa pairing bonus na makukuha mo, you will be rewarded generously ng company through the Power Builder Token Bonus. Forward Challenge, an exclusive bonus for classic accounts, 4 directs in 1 month. Kung ikaw ay classic account, kailangan mong makadirect ng 4 classic accounts para ma-qualify sa bonus na ito. 4 classic accounts direct, 300 pesos each or 1,200 total bonus. 5 Alive Frenzy, for premium and ultimate accounts. Kung ikaw ay makakapag-direct ng 5 either premium or ultimate accounts, ikaw ay makakatanggap ng extra 1,000 peso reward per account, total of 5,000 extra bonus monthly. Record Holder Badge. Dahil pinahahalagahan ng kumpanya ang effort ng bawat business partners, D1 Legacy PH Corp will be releasing a Record Holder Acknowledgement for partners that will be reaching milestone achievements. 20 one-time record holder awards reward awaits for the achievers. Stockist Finders Reward. Additional 10% cash reward para sa mga makakapag-direct sponsor ng business hubs and mega centers. 15,000 cash reward for business hubs and 50,000 cash rewards for mega center hub. 1+2 Duo. Monthly gadget raffle para magkaroon ng entry at chance manalo ng gadgets monthly. For every 2 direct referrals, you will be given 1 raffle entry for the monthly gadget raffle. More 2 directs, more entries, and more chances of winning. And lastly, our 18th way to earn. Repeat purchase royalty from Mega Centers. Dito, kapag ikaw ay nakapag-direct sponsor ng Mega Center, lifetime na ang bonus mo sa bawat repurchase ng Mega Center ng products. A lifetime royalty bonus reward indeed. Ngayong nalaman mo na kung gaano kaganda ang commission plan ni D1 Legacy PH Corp, it's high time to take action. Sa abot kayang puhunan, premium quality products, all-in-one services, legal na company, wala ka ng ibang hahanapin pa. This is your best shot to achieve true financial freedom through this life-changing, lifetime business. D1 Legacy PH Corp.